So, very good morning. My name is Tanu Virmani. I'll be your examiner today for the IELTS speaking test. Can you please tell me your full name?
My name is Deepak Agrawal.
What should I call you?
You can call me as Deep.
Can I see your identification?
Here is my passport.
Let's talk about your hometown. Where is your hometown?
Generally, my hometown is Vadodara. I am living since I was born, and it is pleasure to tell about my hometown uh, because um, in Vadodara there are too many good facilities and good street foods are there, and Vadodara is famous for their and heritage and known for Garba.
What do you like about it?
I would I like I I like about it as in many categories, but I would like to talk about nature and weather because uh, in Vadodara there is a pleasant nature like very good atmosphere like doesn't in summers uh, the temperatures goes around 45 degrees compared to the other cities because in other cities there is a very highly summer and it's highly summer and and there is some kind of temperature.
Is there anything you don't like about it?
No, there is nothing like that. I just there is nothing that or I not like about it. There are many things which I just like about my hometown.
Would you like to add anything?
No.
Would you like to live there in the future?
Yes, I would like to live in future here in itself because living in my hometown it's give me a memory, my childhood memory, and it has very valuable time of mine here, and I would prefer to come back to live in my hometown and look into my future for a job or business because here there are very good opportunities compared to other cities.
That's it.
Yes,
Let's talk about traveling. Do you like traveling?
yes, I like traveling. Travel is a very yes, I like traveling, and traveling is the most important part of my life.
Would you like to add anything more?
Uh, if we add more, so there should be chance to add some increase in band.
What kind of places do you like to visit?
Generally, I am a person who just love mountains. So I would like to prefer to go uh, around north side because I just I'm a fond of a mountain person and I like to visit I would like to visit near the mountains and and even I like the winter weather the most and so I like to prefer to go Kashmir Kashmir, Leh Ladakh, and much more cities.
Do you usually travel alone or with others?
No, I would like to travel with my families and friends because traveling alone is not a good decision uh, because if we need any emergencies or should we should take help from others instead of if we are traveling with the friends or families, so we can ask to help to the family person to help us. So I will prefer to travel with my families and friends.
Do you think holidays are important?
Yes, holidays are important uh, because holidays gives a holiday give us a peaceful mind and refreshment. After holiday, we visit for a work, so our our in holiday we need some kind of break so we can spend our time with our family, so there should be at least 4 holiday in a month to spend the time with their families or friends.
Now I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then I'll ask you to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. You can also
Hmm.
make notes
Okay.
if you wish. If you want to book your वन ऑन वन स्पीकिंग टेस्ट विद मी सो बेबी कोड एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड करो या फिर आप वेबसाइट पे जाकर भी बुक कर सकते हो अपने टेस्ट को। शॉप सेक्शन में जाओ, स्पीकिंग इंटरव्यू विद द टीचर, अपने स्लॉट को बुक करो एंड गिव योर स्पीकिंग टेस्ट। अगर आपको अपनी राइटिंग इवैल्यूएट करानी है तो अपने राइटिंग टास्क 1 और टास्क 2 को शॉप सेक्शन में जाकर अपलोड करो और रियल एग्जाम टीचर आपको देंगे डिटेल करेक्शंस प्लस अ फीडबैक। Please start speaking now.
Okay. I like to learn new things. Here I would like to talk about myself. Actually, I am not here using smartphone too much, so I don't know about more recent updates and how to use social media. So here, my nephew just helped me to improve my skills skills in the cell phone about how to use cell phone, and he helped me to learn about it. So 2 days back, she came from her house and he has a vacation. So he visited to our house for a long vacation. So he just helped me to learn something new, which I don't know about it, like a mobile update from a mobile update to using smartphone or doing chatting with friends. So he just helped me with the updates and the features. And my nep and I just decided to learn it because in this modern era we should be updated, because if we went for some social work, so we can't uh, be we can't be sit idle in front of people, so we should become an active and so we should learn something new. As I told that I just like to learn new things, so because of that I just learn something new for me, and I will remember this for long. And after learning this, that I felt very amazing and mesmerizing, and I just give some gift to my nephew because he just helped me for further learning, and and he is very good to soft nature, and he is very helping with others.
Why do people like to learn new things?
People like new things because they want to uh, they want to uh, update in their life, and because in this modern era the our this modern era the communities and the societies is comparing to one person to another, so people like to learn new things and they should be updated through their mobile channels or TV channels by watching some news.
Do you think people learn better alone or with others?
Sorry, could you repeat?
Do you think people learn better alone or with others?
People should be learn from others because if we have sitting alone, so that would be not a good sign because there is no one has time for us to there is no one has time for us to learn something new. We have to go and make some new friends or family members so they will help us and they will help us for sharing knowledge or some good kind of news about societies.
Is it easier for children or adults to learn new things?
uh, Learning new things is doesn't see any age, so if it is for children or adult, they both are compatible for that. So here I would like to talk about some a a small of news that that news is beneficial for adults and children both, so there is no certain age for that.
How has technology changed the way people communicate or people learn?
In this modern era, technology has changed to the people. Like in ancient time, people were using cell phone to talk, and compared to this modern era, people are now using social media much more to connect people and chatting and texting to the people in case of talking or calling. So because it is so that it is shows like the communicator and the communicator and the person both are talking by chatting because they both are busy. So whenever they get a time, so they can do chat and chat or they can do text in their convenience time.
Do you think traditional classrooms will disappear in the future?
Yes, traditional classroom will be disappear in the future because in 10 years ago, students are studying through the board and the chalk, so it is very old method to teach compared to modern generation, because in recent year there are new technologies has occurs like studying in the smart classroom compared to the older one, so it is beneficial for teachers and students both.
What skills do you think will be the most important in the future?
Okay, as we all of knows about AI, so artificial intelligence is most of the key features for people should be learned, because if we don't learn about artificial intelligence for it also, so a future is dangerous for us because future is totally depend on this.
Okay, that is the end of your speaking test, Deep. Thank you so much. Let me just give you a quick feedback. The entire feedback will be updated on your portal. Okay.
Okay.
So your estimated band will be band 5. I observed that you are able to communicate the basic ideas, but there were noticeable errors in your fluency, grammar, vocab, and mainly the idea development. There were
mm,
repetition of ideas. I noticed that you repeated many times good,
mm,
things, many, because. So this actually limits your vocabulary score.
mm,
Try to look for upgraded for the common topics. Practice
mm,
repeating like replacing the basic words with a stronger vocabulary, and avoid repeating the same word in one answer. ठीक है?
mm,
There were many pauses, many fillers like
mm.
and there's a long
Yes, yes.
silence also. So restarting, you are just self-correcting yourself. You're restarting the sentences, which actually
Mm,
affects your fluency and your coherence. Okay?
mm.
So advices that try to use some phrases. Next thing, there
Okay.
were grammar errors. There were frequent
Mm,
mistakes in the tenses, sentence structure, and the
mm,
subject verb agreement. So
mm,
please revise some basic grammar rules.
mm.
Practice speaking in full and clear sentences. Most importantly, your ideas were not developed, they were very short in part 2 and 3.
Fine.
You started the very first answer of part 1 as generally. Part 1 is not general, part 1 is about you. So you cannot use the word generally in your
Okay.
part 1. Okay?
Okay.
So please try to develop your answers. Expand every answer. Okay?
Mm.
I hope with consistent practice and structure speaking, you can definitely improve, right? Try to achieve a higher score, but you must focus on your accuracy and your idea development. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Bye. Take care.
Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.